and bypass MDM or remove the security plugin. It's very difficult. Most of the tools that you have to pay for, some can't work, some maybe a scam. But for today's research, as I've been requested by most of my subscribers, they asked me to look for them a good tool that can do that work. You can see it's a 2026 tool. Here's the tool. As you can see, this is the tool. It got us all the things that you need to know. So here you can see DB or MTP services for Samsung. You can see every tool is recorded here. So what you have to do is download the app and follow my tutorial on how I'm going to. For now, I don't have a phone that I can show you how to bypass the FRP, the MDM, but I'm going to show you options that you're going to use. So as you can see, it was all the drivers that you can install here. You just click on auto check the drivers, one click, and all the drivers will be installed. We have the Coolcam, we have different services. You have the EDL service, the pack file or the scatter file, partition manager, the dialog services. We have the Motorola. You have the MediaTek. Yeah, here is where most of the phones are branded. Here is the MediaTek. So here is where we do all the things. Where you can flash the firmware, prepare image services. You see we are reading for factory reset, remove FRP, factory reset user data. All the things are here. You can see here, remove FDM and Nox Infinix Techno data. That's the most interesting part. So we have the Unisoc, Also here in Unisoc, we can do how we did with the previous one. You can see the operations here. Services reading for reset, remove FRP. All the services are here. Here in dialog mode, we have the switch to the dialog mode, factory reset. We have most of the things here. Huawei, Apple, even the Apple is supported using this app. You can do anything that you want using this one. Just what I told you, I want to show you the perfect tool that has been released in 2026, so it can do all the work, all the job accordingly. So I was going to show you mostly where many people want the FRP bypass and the MDM bypass, how to remove the security plugin now. So FRP, most of the people you can. Okay, here in FRP, here where you detect all the phones that you want. This is where you detect. Take for us, we are connected to the item. We are going to see, you can see my item phone as a detector there. And if I want to launch, you press on launching. This is where you get that once the app has been launched to your phone, you know how to bypass. You go to the browser, you open your browser, search what you want to search, maybe the bypass FRP app or whatever. Open the phone app, there you put the codes, the ADB codes. You open up the ADB. Once your phone is connected to the ADB, yeah, you can do the process. But for now, I'm going to stop the operation. I want to show you different ways and how you are going to do this. So that was for if you want to launch the browser. Application manager. While your phone is connected in ADB mode, that's why you see many apps with the security plugin. You can't enable the ADB mode. Why? Because when the phone is in ADB mode, it's easy to remove the security plugin or the MDM, the copper service. That's why you get that many of the phones that when you try to enable the ADB mode, it says that you can't open the ADB mode because it has been blocked by the admin. So, but during the FRP bypass, because you haven't fully activated the Google system, the Google App Data, you can open the ADB mode and bypass the phone. So here in ADB services is where we can do the thing. We have the FRP part where you can remove the FRP part. You can see disable the page app. Yeah, with all the services, we have the general service, while we have the FRP, we have the reboot services. Yeah, but most of the people don't use the reboot services. Then demo mode for Vivo, LG, Google Pixel, Huawei, Oppo. Yeah, here's where you can disable. Then we have the where we remove the MDM bypass. You can see here it is. So you can see we have the remove. So this one works when the phone is connected in ADB mode. So this is where we remove MDM, Infinix, Techno. We have Easy Buy plugin, Palm Pay plugin, Oppo account. You can see we remove Mkopa, Samsung, and all the admin app, the device admin app. You can remove them here. That's why I told you that is a super app that has been launched in 2026. Most the people that are not aware of this tool, yeah, but I've told you to download this tool. The link is in my description. You can get the tool from there. That's why I've told you. Yeah. So if you have the CMD commands, you can run them here. Yeah, and do things. So for this tool, yeah, we have the paid. You can pay for it, and you can add the login. We're seeing it as multiple services. Yeah, I could tell you if you are new for this channel or seeing this video for the first time, subscribe for more tools, because I'm bringing up more and more tools for you people. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet on the next video.